Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be unboxing my Glossybox. I absolutely love the decor on the inside boxes. I did receive 2 of them and I did figure out why. So from now on I will only be receiving 1. I have been paying for them. I had prepaid. I don't know how I did that, but I prepaid for like a year. And then the renewal came around. That's how I saw the charge. I was like, oh, no. So I got a hold of them and they are now just going to be shipping 1. But I have made use out of everything. So really no complaints here. I am really waiting on my box charm this month. I'm super excited. So we do have 2 of these. We will be opening up and seeing what we will keep and what will be going in a future giveaway. And sometimes I give to my daughter as well. Such a cute little summer theme. Look at that. I still need to clean out my drawers and put these in there. So here's the little bow tie with a little umbrella. These are a monthly subscription and they are $21, just like BoxyCharm. Although these tend to gravitate towards beauty care, which I am okay with. Here is what is on the inside. And then the tissue paper. I'm gonna just open them both at the same time because, oh, this is beach, please, in there. So cute. Because the last, like, 4 have been identical. So let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, first thing I see is this. Introducing Bye Bye Oil and Shine. It sets blot and translucent powder single dose cosmetic compact, full size $3.99, which would be 5 packets. I don't think this is 5 packets. No, it's 3 packets, but that's okay because I have 2. So carrying a purse full of makeup, rooms, and outfits of these tiny one-time use packages are perfect for when you're on the go. The silky powder not only helps blot away excess oil, but it locks in your makeup for a long-lasting look, just like a summer love. The setting powder won't weigh you down. My only issue with that is, can you blot translucent setting powder, pull out tray and applicator from packaging, gently shake into tray, use a blotting motion, apply translucent powder on skin if needed, re-dip into tray. So I'm just hoping when you open it, there's a way to keep it from, you know, spilling or however that, I don't know, I'll find out. This box has the exact same thing. 5 packets would be $3.99, and in here you have 3 packets. Then we have NCLA nail lacquer. Let's see if I got the exact same color. Yes, I did. My goodness. You know, I would think I at least get a different color. It's called I've Been Drinking. Full size, $16.5 ounces. They look full size. 30 milliliters, 0.45 ounces. This gorgeous watermelon pink nail polish is perfect color to brighten up even the rainiest of summer days. Apply 2 coats while you are hanging at home or lounging on the beach, and your nails will sparkle and shine. Plus, it's named in honor of Beyonce. So it's a confidence boost in a bottle. That's pretty cool. Huh. So it's named in honor. I've been drinking. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but okay. I will definitely be putting one of those in a giveaway. Okay, then we have Ren Clean Skincare. Keep young and beautiful instant firming beauty shot. Right here, they do not look full size. They look like samples. This is Ren Clean Skincare. Keep young and beautiful instant firming beauty shot. We can't take you back to the summer of '69, but the supercharged light serum instantly lifts and firms skin to leave you looking dramatically more youthful. A gentle massage of 2 to 3 drops will help produce new elastin to fight the aging protein in your face, which causes sagging. That's just super. Makes it sound really great. And wrinkling. Oh, that's super. Full size is $56. That's 1 ounce. This is not a full size. This is like probably a quarter. It's 10 milliliters, 0.34 fluid ounces. So it's like, you know, definitely not full size. So I will try that out for sure, because I am getting wrinkly and a little saggy, I guess. Then we have Eye Cool Gel Line Smoothing Monu Skin. I've never heard of. This is, against animal testing. That is always really good. Made in the UK. I'm looking for ounces. 15 milliliters. And let's see. Full size, $30, 0.5 ounces. Does not look full size to me. Ditch the puffiness and dark circles by dabbing 1 pump of Eye Cool Gel around your eyes in the morning. Ginseng, vitamin C, arnica, and sodium hyaluronate. I'm saying that wrong. And helps to lift, plump, and correct your skin tone so you look flawless all day long. It's a perfect cool down before heading out in the sun. I will totally use these. I am always looking for new under eye skincare, and last month, I believe it was BoxyCharm, we got the Dr. Brandt, and I've been using that. Here's a scalp detox exfoliating pre-wash treatment. Wow. And this is 50 ml, 1.69 fluid ounces. Okay, let's see here. Grow Gorgeous Hair Care. Full size is 3 fluid ounces. This is half of a full size, and that would be $34, so it's half. Getting rid of your split ends is healthy hair one-on-one, but your scalp is where growth starts, so it's time we start showing it some love. Natural ingredients and a blend of minerals exfoliate the scalp, which helps create the perfect environment for your hair to grow into the lustrous locks you deserve. Well, I will definitely try it out. Never heard of a scalp detox, but you know, why not? VDL Lumilayer Primer Fresh, 12 ml, 0.41 fluid ounces. Okay, this says VDL is a brand that is dedicated to women actively seeking out their dreams and desires. This primer gives you a radiance that lasts from morning until night. Unlike your ordinary primers, this one not only preps your face for makeup, it actually illuminates your face and highlights your features. Okay, so let's open it up. So it's a face primer. Oh, wow, looks like a nail polish. I thought it was nail polish. Let's open this up. Am I sure it's for your face? Hugs and hydrates the skin with deep moisturizer, volumizing light, brightening the skin with clear water. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see what this is gonna look like. Well, you know, they could have put a pump on here. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna be sitting here like this all day. But it looks pretty. Ooh, let's see if it has a scent. Not really. You have to keep it like upside down to get it, you know, decent amount, or like break your hand going like this. As for this, I will probably keep one and put one in a future giveaway. I definitely will be trying it out. I'll put that in my little primer drawer right now. That is it, you guys, for this month. I'm not going to say I am super excited. I am, you know, I mean, who couldn't use great eye cooling gel? I know I can, especially in the morning. I've never heard of a scalp detox, but why not? Let's detox my scalp, see how that works. If you guys like this color, I will be giving one to my daughter and one in an upcoming giveaway. And I'm definitely curious about these. I'm gonna throw one in my purse like right now, and then let you guys know. It kind of shows right here how it works, I guess. But anyways, that is it for this month's Glossybox. Next month I should only have one, and at this point I'm happy about that. They have had better boxes, not gonna lie, but I do always appreciate new skincare, so I am happy when I get good skincare. Some of the things I would prefer other things, but it is completely fine. Who doesn't need instant firming beauty shot? Come on. So anyways, just kind of so, you know, not bad, not bad. I still recommend Glossybox. But Box to Charm is the #1 monthly box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.